In a blink of an eye, the storm came crashing and took everyone by surprise. The streets were empty, our hearts were heavy, and the whole world changed abruptly. But it will never bring us down completely. With our breathtaking natural wonders, both discovered and undiscovered, the most heartwarming smiles that welcome you, and new experiences to explore. We can repair what is broken and restore what was once gone, and strive to keep our cultural heritage alive. As much as we help local businesses grow, we are standing back up and getting back to where we last left off. Maybe not as sudden, not as fast, but stronger than ever, hand in hand. Happy World Tourism Day.